Okay, so there was a funeral at the church today. So they had me park over here. They had everyone park over here instead of over there. And then they had restrictions to here. Every time there's a funeral at the church, we have to park. So there's room for funeral goers to park at the church, closer to the church. Today was another okay day. It was an okay day. Not great. Nothing bad. Okay. It went well. That's because nobody's putting pressure on me yet. They haven't started pressuring for tasks, more tasks. So I've given, or am giving, have given one task in, I wonder if that's going to stay. Doesn't look very stable. I did it just now. I adjusted it because it was way too close down to the dashboard. And I don't know if I did a good job. It can't fall far in the car, right? Anyway, today is not Monday, Wednesday, or Friday when I go to the track. Today is Tuesday. This week is really going slowly because I thought that today was Wednesday. And it's only Tuesday, and yesterday was only Monday. I mean, you know, it's nowhere yet. Ugh. Really warm. Really warm. Supposed to get cooler, but not just yet. All right. When I adjusted this the first time, the whole thing fell apart. Because I pushed certain buttons, and if you push certain buttons, everything comes apart. Not a confidence builder. It is not the strongest thing I could have bought. I will go. It cost a certain amount. It wasn't the cheapest, but it was also not the most expensive. So, and when it's this kind of plastic, it's not like metal. You can't force it and then it doesn't go any further. You can keep forcing it, and then it gets stuck. And then you don't know if you're going the right way. And, problems with plastic, yeah. Anyway. Oh, I'm hungry. Yeah, I got my little what are they? They're soy nuts. Roasted soy nuts. So they're soybeans, roasted soybeans. Yeah, there you go. I've been eating them for years. And there is a ton of them in the freezer, so I'm still working on them. Didn't eat them over the summer, so there are lots of them left for me. Don't have to buy them yet. The stalks of nuts and the stalks of seed type things were huge. All over the freezer. I still have nuts galore in the freezer. It's okay. Watch out. Roundabouts, there are people who don't know what they're doing. And then there are people who are in too much of a hurry. Gotta watch out for them too. Always have to watch out for people. It's the other drivers that get you into trouble most of the time. My feet are getting cold. I want up, yes. Oh, head up. Yeah, there we go. Now I have, yeah. I wanted some coolness up here. I'm getting coolness up there. Yeah, tasks. So I'm giving the one class a whole bunch of tasks. I think I have 3 tasks. That's true. I gave my morning class a listening and speaking this morning. And my afternoon class is getting, I think I have 3 tasks for the morning class and 1 or 2 for the afternoon class. Then I realized that I was starting reading in my morning class, my lesson plan for that. And I realized that I had something written down that I ought to have, but that it was nowhere in sight. So I thought, did I not print that off? What happened? One of those, I just told myself the other day, I'm going to check that I printed everything off. Well, no, I didn't check if I printed everything off. And I thought, see, there, it comes right back to bite you because you didn't check to see if you printed it off and now you don't have it. Well, what happened is I printed it off and then I photocopied it yesterday. And then I put it with the other classes' papers instead of putting with the morning classes' papers. So I had a little note for myself today to print off this again because you don't have it. I made the class today. I stretched it and it went fine, not a problem. So it would have been too much anyway. But as I'm doing my photocopying just now, I realized that there were papers, extra papers. Boy, I have a lot of papers for the afternoon class. I didn't realize I was so far ahead. Well, no, I wasn't so far ahead. I had the papers from the other class mixed in. So, no problems. I can't talk. I'd rather not have them salted, but apparently they stopped being available in the all unsalted version. Spread too. I'm eating salted soy nuts. They're still good. Anyway, I think that's fine. And I'm headed home.